Is that liquor?
The party. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice.
Look at that.
There's only going to be beer at the party.
Good choice.
It's vodka, and it's 40% alcohol. UV.
It's very cool, big man, but that's nothing.
That is really nice.
Fireball, cinnamon whiskey. What a think.
Nice.
Jesus, that is really super. How did a nitwit like you get so tasteful?
I can't believe Bryce prefers Van Patten's pick to mine.
But wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. Jaeger fucking Meister.
Impressive. Very nice. Let's see Paul Allen's choice. Look at that 12-year-old scotch. That subtle amber glow. Oh my god. It even has a holographic seal.
Something wrong? Patrick? You're sweating.